Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we dive deep into the tech you're thinking of buying. Today, we're taking a hands-on look at the E-YEEGER V100 Pro Dash Cam. It's compact, sleek, and promises a 2.5K recording resolution with Wi-Fi connectivity, night vision, 24-hour parking mode, and a lot more, all in a package that includes a 32GB SD card. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Out of the box, the V100 Pro comes ready to go. You get the dash cam itself, a 32GB micro SD card pre-installed, a power cable, suction mount, and a user manual. The device is really small, just slightly over 1.5 inches for the screen, but it doesn't feel cheap. The aluminum body and heat-resistant chip are designed to withstand extreme temperatures, from -40 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. That's great if your car is parked outside all year round. Now let's talk features. The headline is its 2.5K resolution. That's 2560 by 1440 pixels. Powered by a Starvis sensor and a 6-layer glass lens. The video quality is sharp with solid color reproduction and minimal glare, even during the day. And thanks to the 160-degree wide-angle lens, it does a good job reducing blind spots, easily capturing both road signs and license plates. The 1.47-inch IPS screen may sound tiny, but it's surprisingly usable for quick previews or adjusting settings without needing your phone. Of course, for more control, you've got the companion E-YEEGER app. The Wi-Fi connection lets you stream video, download clips, or change settings from your phone. Just make sure you turn off your VPN and give it local network permissions. Keep in mind that CarPlay or Android Auto might briefly interrupt the connection. On the software side, you've got loop recording, which means it records continuously and overwrites the oldest footage when the SD card is full. But if the built-in G sensor detects a sudden impact, that video clip is locked and won't be erased. Super useful in the case of an accident. At night, this thing holds up really well. Thanks to enhanced night vision, you still get clear footage in low-light conditions, something not all budget dash cams manage. And for people worried about hit and runs or vandalism while their car is parked, the V100 Pro offers 24-hour parking surveillance. But here's the catch. You'll need to buy an additional hardwire kit to enable that mode. It also supports time-lapse recording during parking mode, reducing power consumption by capturing 1 frame per second to keep your vehicle protected without draining the battery. As for storage, the included 32GB card is great for getting started, but you can expand up to 256GB with a U1 rated card. That's good for recording several days worth of footage, especially on long road trips. The Type-C power port adds a modern touch and helps ensure a stable power supply. During our test drives, we didn't experience any lag or glitches. The voice alerts are also helpful for letting you know when recording starts or stops. So, should you get it? If you're looking for a compact, durable, high-resolution dash cam that performs well both day and night, and offers smart features like app control and 24/7 parking monitoring, the E-YEEGER V100 Pro is a strong contender, especially at this price point. Just remember, if you want full parking mode features, you'll need that optional hardwire kit. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. See you in the next one.